no criminal should be given a reward for doing interviews about their crimes.
Trump's DOJ under fire. Ghislaine Maxwell's interviews and prison transfer spark outrage. In a move that has ignited widespread controversy, the Trump administration's Department of Justice conducted a series of interviews with convicted sex trafficker Ghislaine Maxwell, leading to allegations of preferential treatment and potential political interference. In July 2025, Deputy Attorney General Todd Blanche, a former personal attorney to President Donald Trump, conducted 2 days of interviews with Maxwell at the Federal Correctional Institution in Tallahassee, Florida. Maxwell, who is serving a 20-year sentence for her role in the sex trafficking operations of financier Jeffrey Epstein, reportedly answered questions about over 100 individuals without invoking her Fifth Amendment rights or refusing to respond. Her lawyer confirmed that no plea deals or promises were made during these sessions. The involvement of Todd Blanche, a high-ranking political appointee with close ties to President Trump, has raised concerns about the impartiality of the interviews. Critics argue that his dual role as both a DOJ official and a former personal attorney to the president creates a glaring conflict of interest. Further controversy ensued when, shortly after the interviews, Maxwell was transferred from the low-security facility in Tallahassee to the federal prison camp in Bryan, Texas, a facility known for its more relaxed conditions. This move has been perceived by many as a reward for her cooperation, fueling allegations of a quid pro quo arrangement. The release of the interview transcripts and audio recordings by the DOJ has intensified public scrutiny. In the interviews, Maxwell described President Trump as very cordial and very kind, and denied witnessing any inappropriate behavior during her interactions with him. However, she also stated that she never saw Trump at Epstein's residence or in any compromising situations. Legal experts and victim advocates have criticized the DOJ's handling of the case, suggesting that the interviews and subsequent prison transfer may undermine the integrity of the investigation. A federal judge recently rejected the administration's request to unseal grand jury transcripts from the Maxwell case, labeling the move as a diversion rather than a genuine effort for transparency. The handling of Ghislaine Maxwell's interviews and subsequent prison transfer by the Trump administration's DOJ has raised serious ethical and legal questions. The involvement of a high-ranking political appointee with direct ties to President Trump, coupled with the timing of Maxwell's transfer to a more lenient facility, has led to widespread criticism. As investigations continue, the public and legal communities await further developments to determine the full extent of the administration's actions in this high-profile case.